One of my favorite features of Looker Studio is the ability to send filtered reports on a schedule dynamically to users. So this is one of those reports here. I send this to myself quarterly on New York motor collisions. This is connected to live data. And I'm going to show you how to do this for your dashboard. And the beauty of this is that you can filter it to certain parameters and send the filtered parameters to different users. So to start with this, go to the drop down beside share and press schedule delivery. This is very easy. You can either send now or you can edit the schedule. I'm going to send this to myself, and you can go and you can customize the email subject and message. And once you've picked your subject and message, I'm just picking accidents in the Bronx here and a very simple message. You can go down into start time and say when you want this to start. And then you can repeat that on a certain timetable. There's a good few automatic options in this, daily, weekly, monthly, or every weekday. But because I want to send this quarterly, I'm going to say custom, and I can choose every 3 months. And this is the last Tuesday in the month, but I want to change this to the last Friday. So I'm just going to flip this over to the last Friday in the month. And now it's every 3 months on the last Friday. So I can then go in and choose my filters. So I'm choosing specific filters here, and there's lots of dynamic filters for date. And this quarter to date suits me and suits for this use case, but we can choose last month, we can choose this month, and there's loads of dynamic filters based on when you want to filter the data by. I'm just going to choose this quarter. I'm going to apply this, and then I'm going to filter the borough, and I'm going to just filter this to the Bronx because this is a report on the Bronx. And if I wanted to filter this main factor as well, I can. So I just save this, and this is good to go. So the schedule has been updated here, and I can go in and I can schedule another delivery if I have the pro version of this, or I can edit the schedule. I'm just going to send now, so it sends to myself. So I'm on the normal version here, and this is just one scheduled report, but as I said, pro, you can schedule up to 20. When the report comes by email, this is what it looks like. So you get a look at the report within the email itself, but then what's attached in here is a PDF as well. So you can click into this and see a version of the dashboard, or there's a link to the dashboard itself. But the best way to look at this is to go into the actual PDF, and you can see the report there for the quarter. As I mentioned earlier, there's different versions of this, whether you're on Looker Studio Pro or Looker Studio Normal. In Pro, you can schedule to a Google Chat, which we do in my company, and we also can schedule up to 20 schedules within the same report. I hope you found this video useful. Follow for more.